Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at waste management. Waste management is the collection, transportation, recycling, and disposal of waste. Collection, transportation, processing, very, very important, processing, recycling, and disposal of waste material. So very, very importantly, waste management is the collection, transportation, processing, you have to process it, recycle it, and dispose the waste materials. But now, what is waste? What is this waste that we are collecting, processing, recycling, and disposing? What is waste? Waste are substances that are disposed of or are intended to be disposed of or are required to be disposed of by law. And that is the Basel definition, very, very important definition. Waste are those substances or materials that are disposed of, intended to be disposed of, or are required by law to be disposed of. These waste are products that are not the prime products for which the generator has no further use of, so he has to just dispose of it. Very, very importantly, in waste management, there is what we call resource recovery. And this resource recovery is simply the separation of certain materials from waste with the intention of using them again. So whenever you separate some certain material from waste with the intention of using them again, we call it resource recovery. Here, land and energy conservation and recovery is achieved. Reuse and reuse is achieved. So you can actually reuse. I think this should be reused. So you have conservation and you also have the ability to reuse your materials. Very, very importantly, whenever you're looking at municipal solid waste technology or management, you have what we call biological treatment or thermal treatment. Under biological, we have composting, forming of compost, we know what it is, and anaerobic digestion. Then under thermal, we have what we call gasification, pyrolysis, plasma, and incineration. So this is the technology that you can easily use in management of solid waste. Solid waste, very, very important. Solid waste, biological or thermal. Under biology, we have composting and anaerobic digestion, whereas under thermal, we have gasification, pyrolysis, plasma, and incineration. Now, whenever you're doing waste management, there is what we call pyramid of priorities. What are the things you want to do first before the other? Number one thing in waste management is that you try to do what we call prevention. Prevent the waste as much as you can. If you, after reading newspaper, instead of going to dump the newspaper, use it to give it to somebody selling akara. Let them use it. After writing, instead of disposing, give to somebody. Use the back of the paper. Prevent those waste from coming outside. If you prevented it and it's no longer working, or prevention can also be explained when you use less amount of something. Paper, don't use too much paper. If you're writing, write small. You understand? Then if you've tried to prevent the waste, reuse. Like I said before, after writing, you can give to other people to still use it to sell akara, sell other things. Recycle. You can collect those things and use it to build another thing. There is a place where I saw where they used plastic bottles from this bottled water, the containers. You can use it to build a house, build ship. You can also recycle it and use it back again for other things. Then recovery, you can recover. Just like we said, recovery is separation of certain materials from waste with the intention of using them again so that we can use them again. Then after recovery, energy recovery, material recovery. Once you are done with that, then the last thing is what? Disposal. So don't be conscious of saying, let's go and dispose this debt, let's go and do this. There are things you can do to reduce those debts. Prevention, reuse, recycle, resource recovery. Then finally, disposal should be the last thing. So you have to do what? Prevent the waste from coming. Reuse the material that you've used before, recycle and use again, then resource recovery. So this is what we call the pyramid of priorities in waste treatment. You can also draw it as a prime pyramid in case if you are asked, it's still the same thing. Here should be what? Prevention. Here should be what? Reuse. Here should be what? recycling. Here should be what? Recovery. And finally, we have what we call what? Disposal. So this is also the pyramid of priorities. Things you should do first in trying to manage waste. Do you go quickly to disposal? No. First of all, you have to prevent, reuse, recycle, recover. Very, very important. So these are and all these are methods of treating waste. Method of processing or treating waste can be also classified under either disposal or resource recovery. So very, very important. You need to study this and understand them the way they are. Waste management is simply the collection, transportation, processing, recycling, and disposal of waste. Thank you very much. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button below. Share, like our videos. Support us in any way you can. Thank you, and God bless you. Fumi knows what I always say. Is it Fumi that said it?